Hello fellows, we are discussing introduction to trigonometry applied question. So today's section I am going to solve the next problem. Look at the problem. Sin a minus cos a plus 1 divided by sin a plus cos a minus 1 equal to sec a plus tan a, or 1 by sec a minus tan a. So here we want to prove sec a plus tan a or 1 by sec a minus tan a. Right. So first write down here LHS equal to sin a minus cos a plus 1 divided by sin a plus cos a minus 1, and here nr and dr divided by cos a, and here we got sin a divided by cos a minus cos a divided by cos a plus 1 divided by cos a, and this whole divided by, so sin is there, sin a divided by cos a plus cos a divided by cos a minus 1 divided by cos a. And now here sin divided by cos a, we can write tan a, and here cos get cancelled, so minus 1 plus 1 divided by cos a, we can write sec a, and this divided by, so here sin by cos is tan a plus cos get cancelled 1, and minus 1 divided by cos a is sec a. And now here I will rearrange this one, tan a plus sec a minus 1, and this divided by tan a minus sec a plus 1. The next step, write down tan a plus sec a minus, instead of this 1 we can write sec square a minus tan square a, because we know that the identity 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. This tan comes in a RHS side, it become a minus, so 1 equal to sec square a minus tan square a. So this one we will use here in a bracket, sec square a minus tan square a, and this divided by tan a minus sec a plus 1 as it is. And now here tan a plus sec a as it is minus in a bracket, look at here is sec square a minus tan square a. It is in the form of a square minus b square, and we know that the exponent form of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So now here we got sec a minus tan a minus b and a plus b, sec a plus tan a, and this divided by tan a minus sec a plus 1 as it is. And here look at here is a tan a plus sec a, and here also sec a plus tan a plus sec a or sec a plus tan a, both are same, so these two terms are same, so take outside, so it will become here I will take tan a plus sec a, and remaining term 1 minus in a bracket sec A minus tan A, and this divided by tan A minus sec A plus 1, and in the next step tan A plus sec A as it is in a bracket 1 minus into sec A is minus sec A, minus into minus tan A is plus tan A, and this divided by tan A minus sec A plus 1. And look here, here is a 1 minus sec A plus tan A, and here also 1 minus sec A plus tan A. Both terms are same here, so these two get cancelled. So write down remaining here tan A plus sec A. So it is our RHS, right? So see here tan A plus sec A, or they asked here one more, 1 divided by sec A minus tan A. So let me solve this one. So here already we proved tan A plus sec A, and now here I will make multiplication and dividing by sec A minus tan A, and divide by sec A minus tan A, and in the next step see here make multiplication here. So here we have sec A plus tan A into sec A minus tan A, and this divided by sec A minus tan A, right? And now here see here it is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. A plus b, a minus b is a exponent form of a square minus b square, right? So here we will got sec square a minus tan square a square minus b square, and this divided by sec a minus tan a as it is, and here sec square a minus tan square a is a 1, and this divided by sec a minus tan a. So it is our RHS, hence proved. Is it clear? So see here, so here is a given RHS is sec A plus tan A, and here we proved sec A plus tan A, and one more RHS is there, 1 divided by sec A minus tan A, and here we proved 1 divided by sec A minus tan A, hence proved. Is it clear? So well students, look at the next problem. 1 plus cot A plus tan A into sin A minus cos A divided by sec cube A minus cosec cube A equal to sin square A into cos square A. So here using LHS we want to prove RHS. So first write down LHS here. LHS equal to 1 plus cot A plus tan A into sin A minus cos A, and this divided by sec cube A minus cosec cube A, and now here 1 plus cot A we can write cos A divided by sin A, plus tan A we can write sin A divided by cos A, and into sin A minus cos A as it is, and this divided by here is a sec cube a. Sec cube a we can write 1 by cos cube a, and minus cosec cube a is 1 by sin cube a. And now here in NR take LCM. So here is a sin a and here is a cos a. So take LCM as a sin a into cos a. So here we got sin a into cos a plus cos square a plus sin square a, and this divided by sin a into cos a, and here into sin a minus cos a as it is, and this divided by, so here make a cross multiplication. So here we got sin cube a minus cos cube a, this divided by sin cube a into cos cube a, right? And now here sin a into cos a plus cos square a plus sin a into sin a minus cos a, and this divided by sin a into cos a as it is, and this whole divided by sin cube a minus cos cube a divided by sin cube into cos cube is there. So this division I will write in a multiplication. So into sin cube a cos cube a divided by sin cube a minus cos cube a. NR and ER interchange each other, right? So now look at here. So here is a sin a into cos a and cos square a plus sin square a into sin a minus cos a. It is in the form of a minus b a square plus b square plus ab, right? See here is a minus b and a square plus b square plus ab, right? So it is an exponent form of a cube minus b cube. So here we will get a cube minus b cube. It means sin cube a minus cos cube a, and this divided by sin a into cos a as it is here into sin cube a into cos cube a divided by sin cube a minus cos cube a, right? And look at here is a sin cube minus cos cube a, and here also sin cube minus cos cube a. These two get cancelled. So now remaining terms here, sin cube a into cos cube a divided by sin a into cos a. So here in a sin cube one sin and this sin get cancelled. In a cos cube one cos and this cos get cancelled. So remaining terms here, sin square a into cos square a. So this is our RHS. Hence proved. Is it clear? So here is a given RHS as sin square a into cos square a, and here we proved sin square a into cos square a. Is it clear?